Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlead Guide. I am Saurav Rogle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic how wealth accumulates and men decay on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rogle from the exam perspective. But before we start the video, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the essayist of the essay How Wealth Accumulates and Men Decay? Options are A. George Bernard Shaw, B. George Bertrand Shaw, C. George Brunel Shaw, or D. George Butler Shaw. Correct option is A. George Bernard Shaw. Question number 2. G.B. Shaw is a creative writer, literary critic and leading century dramatist. Options are A. 21st, B. 18th, C. 20th, or D. 17th. Correct option is C. 20th. Question number 3. What is the lifespan of G.B. Shaw? Options are A. 26 July 1846 to 2nd November 1938, B. 26th July 1855 to 2nd November 1946, C. 26th July 1850 to 2nd November 1928, or D. 26th July 1856 to 2nd November 1950. Correct option is D. 26 July 1856 to 2nd November 1950. Question number 4. G.B. Shaw was playwright. Options are A. An Irish, B. An American, C. An African, or D. An Indian. Correct option is A. An Irish. Question number 5. G.B. Shaw, a critic, thinker, political activist, was best known for Options are A. His autobiography, B. His essays, C. His plays or dramas, or D. His short stories. Correct option is C. His plays or dramas. Question number 6. How many plays did G.B. Shaw has written? Options are A. 5, B. 98, C. 62, or D. 63. Correct option is D. 63. Question number 7. What is the title of Shaw's first play which was published in 1885? Options are A. Arms and the Man, B. Candida, C. Widower's House, or D. Doctor's Dilemma. Correct option is C. Widower's House. Question 8. G.B. Shaw's works were first performed in the decade which made him an established or well-known playwright. Options are A. 1890s, B. 1880s, C. 1870s, or D. 1860s. Correct option is A. 1890s. Question 9. G.B. Shaw was greatly influenced by contemporary thinkers. Options are A. Political, B. Social, C. Educational, or D. Socialist. Correct option is D. Socialist. Question 10. G.B. Shaw was an active supporter of Options are A. Capitalism, B. Autocracy, C. Socialism or Marxism, or D. Bureaucracy. Correct option is C. Socialism or Marxism. Question number 11. What reward was given to Shaw as a literary figure? Options are A. Pulitzer, B. Nobel, C. Booker, or D. Nobel. Correct option is B. Nobel. Question 12. In which year was Shaw awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature? Options are A. 1825, B. 1952, C. 1925, or D. 1852. Correct option is C. 1925. Question 13. The essay How the Wealth Accumulates and Men Decay depicts or argues or describes or tells against the drawbacks or disadvantages of dash dash. Options are A. Communism, B. Liberalism, C. Capitalism, or D. Socialism. Correct option is C. Capitalism. Question 14. Capitalists think that new machinery and new modes or means of dash dash have increased our wealth. Options are A. Production, B. Transportation, C. Communication, or D. Imitation. Correct option is A. Production. Question 15. According to Shaw, capitalism has left us in a state of perpetual or permanent dash dash. Options are A. Gentleness, B. Kindness, C. Idiocy or stupidity, or D. Mildness. Correct option is C. Idiocy or stupidity. Question 16. According to G.B. Shaw, in capitalism, neither the owners nor the wage workers have knowledge of what to do until dash dash. Options are A. They are forced, B. They get luxury, C. They visit a foreign country, or D. Somebody tell or guide them. Correct option is D. Somebody tell or guide them. Question 17. The prescribed essay clearly brings out his socialist ideology, humanitarian and dash dash agenda of G.B. Shaw. Options are A. Social, B. Political, C. Economical, or D. Biological. Correct option is B. Political. Question 18. According to G.B. Shaw, capitalist system alienates human being from their dash dash. Options are A. Environment, B. Wealth, C. Machinery, or D. Factory. Correct option is A. Environment. Question 19. According to G.B. Shaw, in the capitalist system, dash dash have no control over what they produce. They also feel alienated from the mode of production. Options are A. Manager, B. Engineer, C. Owner, or D. Workers. Correct option is D. Workers. Question 20. According to G.B. Shaw, in the dash dash system, the wage workers seem to be cogs in the great wheel of the economic juggernaut. Options are A. Communism, B. Capitalism, C. Socialism, or D. Democracy. Correct option is B. Capitalism. Question 21. The loss of human identity leads us to colonialism, dash dash wars and crisis. Options are A. Imperialism, B. Liberalism, C. Socialism, or D. Capitalism. Correct option is A. Imperialism. Question 22. According to Shaw, the root cause of the chronic ailments is the relentless pursuit of a profit motive which has led to the erosion of dash dash values. Options are A. Ethic, B. Political, C. Religious, or D. Human. Correct option is D. Human. Question 23. Which are the two examples that Shaw uses to indicate that the system we use has passed beyond our knowledge and control? Options are A. Pens and notebooks, B. Pins and woolen garments, C. Capitalism and socialism, or D. Dress and sari. The correct option is B. Pins and woolen garments. Question 24. In the traditional method, pin makers had to know three trades like dash dash. Options are A. Buying, making and selling, B. Purchasing, packing and selling, C. Manufacturing, packing and selling, or D. Developing, packing and selling. Correct option is A. buying, making, and selling. Question 25. Nowadays, we all are stricken with helplessness in the face of a that has passed beyond our dash dash. Options are A. Intellectual power, B. Physical and mental strength, C. Understanding, or D. Knowledge and control. The correct option is D. Knowledge and control. Question 26. According to Shaw, new pin makers are dash dash capable and knowledgeable men than the old pin makers. Options are A. Less, B. More, C. Extra, or D. Equal. Correct option is A. Less. Question 27. At the initial stage, pins cost so much that a woman's dress allowance was called dash dash. Options are A. Payment, B. Dress money, C. Pin money, or D. Pen money. Correct option is C. Pin money. Question 28. Traditional pin makers not only knew how the thing was done from the beginning to end but also dash dash. Options are A. Could do it, B. Could ruin it, C. Could throw it, or D. Could farthing it. Correct option is A. Could do it. Question 29. What system was Adam Smith a proponent or supporter of? Options are A. Socialism, B. Capitalism or capitalist, C. Humanism, or D. Communism. Correct option is B. Capitalism or capitalist. Question 30. Who was Adam Smith? Options are A. 21st century English philosopher, B. 18th century Scottish philosopher, C. 20th century African philosopher, or D. 15th century American philosopher. Correct option is B. 18th century Scottish philosopher. Question 31. How many workers are needed according to Adam Smith to make a pin? Options are A. 8, B. 18, C. 80, or D. 1. Correct option is B. 18. Question 32. Which book was written by Adam Smith, a pioneer of political economy in 1776? Options are A. The Wealth of Nations, B. The Wealth of World, C. The Wealth of Country, or D. The Wealth of States. Correct option is A. The Wealth of Nations. Question 33. According to Shaw, Adam Smith says pin makers are dash dash than the old pin makers. Options are A. More capable but less knowledgeable, B. Extra capable and knowledgeable, C. More capable and knowledgeable, or D. Less capable and knowledgeable. Correct option is D. Less capable and knowledgeable. Question 34. Capitalist system increase the production but turn capable men into dash dash. Options are A. Mere laborers, B. Mere workers, C. Mere machines, or D. Hard workers. Correct option is C. Mere machines. Question 35. In the capitalist system, workers became the dash dash as an engine is fed with coal and oil. Options are A. Spare time of the capitalists, B. Spare food of the capitalist, C. Spare time pass of the capitalist, or D. Spare time of the co-worker. Correct option is B. Spare food of the capitalist. Question 36. Where does Shaw borrow the title of the essay from? Or which far-sighted economist referred by Shaw who used the term how wealth accumulates and men decay? Options are A. Karl Marx, B. William Morris, C. Adam Smith, or D. Goldsmith. Correct option is D. Goldsmith. Question 37. Whom does Shaw refer as flesh and blood machines in the present essay? Options are A. Capitalists, B. Fitters, C. Machine designers, or D. Workers. Correct option is D. Workers. Question 38. Which one of the following thinkers is not referred by G.B. Shaw in How Wealth Accumulates and Men Decay? Options are A. Adam Smith, B. William Morris, C. John Ruskin, or D. Karl Marx. Correct option is D. Karl Marx. Question 39. Which English socialist is referred by Shaw in How the Wealth Accumulates and Men Decay? Options are A. Adam Smith, B. William Morris, C. John Ruskin, or D. Saint Simon. The correct option is B. William Morris. Question 40. What William Morris was famous for? Options are A. Poet, dramatist and storyteller, B. Poet, novelist and sonneteer, C. Poet, essayist and sonneteer, or D. Textile designer, artist and writer. Correct option is D. Textile designer, artist and writer. Question 41. Modern machinery increased production but kills dash dash the workers. Options are A. Talent, skill and upgrade, B. Soft work and hard work, C. Talent, skill and degrade, or D. Hard work and degrade. Correct option is C. Talent, skill and degrade. Question 42. What is the origin of the word spinster? Options are A. A married woman, B. An old woman, C. A widow, or D. An unmarried woman. Correct option is D. An unmarried woman. Question 43. Why does G.B. Shaw is not happy or unhappy with the capitalist system? Options are A. Being a socialist, B. It brings universal ignorance, C. Dislike the subject, or D. There is less profit for capitalist. Correct option is B. It brings universal ignorance. Question 44. Capitalist system has produced an almost universal ignorance about dash dash. Options are A. How things are made and done, B. No finance, C. Illiterate workers, or D. No machinery. The correct option is A. How things are made and done. Question 45. According to G.B. Shaw, dash dash is more resourceful and intelligent. Options are A. An unmarried woman, B. A married woman, C. Tribal men, or D. Children. Correct option is D. Children. Question 46. Which method of production is admired by Shaw in the essay? Options are A. Traditional or old, B. Ancient, C. Adam Smith's, or D. Mechanical. Correct option is A. Traditional or old. Question 47. Which one of the following is not a drawback of capitalism? Options are A. Kills the talent of workers, B. Man becomes a machine, C. Universal ignorance, or D. Man becomes intelligent. Correct option is D. Man becomes intelligent. Question 48. Books fail to convey useful knowledge, says Shaw, because they are dash dash. Options are A. Outdated and written by inexperienced authors, B. Good books are out of print, C. Good books are not in digital form, or D. Good books are very costly. Correct option is A. Outdated and written by inexperienced authors. Question 49. Why does Shaw say world of capitalism is a funny place? Options are A. Lot of fun takes place daily, B. Funny persons make it funny, C. Use of media and entertainment, or D. It spreads ignorance or helplessness. Correct option is D. It spreads ignorance or helplessness. Question 50. Dash dash turns people into dangerous lunatics in the real world. Options are A. Communism, B. Socialism, C. Capitalism, or D. Aristocracy. Correct option is C. Capitalism. Question 50. What do you mean by the word sheep shearing? Options are A. To cut a sheep, B. To sell a sheep, C. To feed a sheep, or D. To cut the wool off. Correct option is D. To cut the wool off. Question 52. G.B. Shaw refers word lunatic in this essay as dash dash. Options are A. Crazy, mad and foolish, B. Motorcycle, C. Name of company, or D. Pin and cloth? Correct option is A. Crazy, mad and foolish. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.